Hi, this video is about the assignment activity. That would be right here, assignment. This eventually will go away if you have it at all. The only reason that this assignment 2.2 is here because the assignment interface and all the database and all that stuff changed. That's the old assignment. You can see it broke it down into its 4 different environments, uploading files, online text, all this. But now it's all done in one. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to talk about just the online essay type of assignment. So an example of that would be right here. You can see the icon. They're all basically the same style. This is an online essay. This is a submit a file, and this is an offline activity. So right here I'm going to update this particular so you can see it very quickly. So right here, it's the same thing that you see everywhere for labels, a book, what have you. Give it a name, give the assignment right down here. So now we have the details, the settings, the date, cutoff date. You show the description, whether or not it's been assigned yet. You require students to hit the submit button. If you require students to hit the submit button, that means that they can't go back in and edit it. I typically never have that on unless it's something I don't want them to ever go back in and edit. Except the submission statement, same deal. Now, if you have any questions on any of this stuff, just click on the the little question mark, the dimmed out question mark. What's great about this is that anytime anyone submits anything, you can have it be email you to let you know. I don't like that. I'd rather just get an email when they submit something late, and that would be after the due date, okay, or the cutoff date. So right there is your basic things, okay, for the settings. Now here is the submission setting styles. This is how you want the actual activity to behave. You want it to be an online text. So they'll get an HTML editing box and they'll type in their answer. You can have them be able to leave you comments if you want. You can have feedback comments, feedback files if you want, offline grading worksheet, those kind of deals. Now, you'll notice down here I have grading method. There are actually 3 different methods right here, and I'm going to talk about those grading methods in another video. Typically, I tend to use the marking guide simply because it's basically a rubric checklist with certain points. I have rubrics, but I don't use them in this environment very often. I rather do a checklist. It's a little bit. And then down here, if you've added any outcomes to your Moodle environment, these are all the different outcomes for the NETs. National Educational Technology Standards. Each assignment gets a check mark for that, for whatever they're meeting that assignment, and then I can print that out for each student if I like. That's something new I'm playing with. And then this will be default as long as you have separate groups in yours. So here's where it gets a little bit interesting. Save and return to the course. I'm all done. Now, if I have chosen a marking guide or a rubric, I haven't attached that to the assignment. So if I go here, I haven't finished really with the assignment. I need to come here, and when I first create an assignment, it will ask me to attach that particular grading thing. I haven't made any changes here, so well, it's all right. I'll do save and display so that you can actually see the assignment. So here's the assignment. Here's the grading summary and the submission status, and here's the rubric. This is my rubric that I've created. Notice it's the same thing, it's just different formatted, so I don't read the same thing. The students will only see the students' rubric, if you will. It tells them the total grades. And because this particular assignment is not available until Friday, right down here you don't see add submission, okay? So that's it. But right over here is the advanced grading. Right here is where you would go ahead and define your marking guide. So I'll just quickly give you a peek at that. Go check that other video if you're really interested in it. So there it is. It's right there. Now, I didn't create this every single time I need it. It's stored, and I just pick it. And that's it. And then I just grade it that way. So that is your online text literacy assignment.